Hello everybody, we're gonna open a box of these. There you go. So let's start. Let's open it quickly because oh, because I'm not going to plan to keep this box. So I can just tear it off. I'm trying to my best. There are no plans on keeping the box, so it's not a big deal. There you go. It's one end done. Can I just do that end? Yes, I can. And I got. Oh, this is cool. A secret where? Gamma seal. Cool. It gives you they're big packs though. Ooh, two of these packs are really big packs. Oh, you can feel them. And there should be a die somewhere. Oh, it's a nice purple one. Let's see. Nice purple one. Let's see if I can find. Oh, Cyber Dragon one. That's kind of cool. A 1. I got a 1. I need to improve that before I go to locals. Let's start with the first pack. Oh, it's actually a really good camera still. Anyway. Interesting. Oh, look. Sorry, a floodgate thing. Vision Hero 10 come on, so stop. Infast Void. Oh, I got a cool version of Cyber Dragon. Not the best version I got, but still cool. Oh, a cool version of the Malicious Sky Striker. Ooh, I'm thinking of making a Sky Striker deck, so this is good. A Hero Lives. That's a cool card. Yeah. Russell Fusion. Hey. Next pack. I have no idea what's good in these packs, but no. Ooh, Neo Galaxy Eyes Proton Dragon. Have you ever noticed how much that Konami likes to use eyes in their archetype? Like there's a lot of eyes. Oh, good cards. Decent cards. Right on. Dolphin, white ochre dolphin. And number 77, the 7 in fish. Oh look, another hero card. Try Hero Wonder Driver. Barrigard Dragon. And that's all these special rarities ones. Okay. I got another Fusion Destiny. Oh, I have one of these. Anyway, yeah, that's basically it. This is a really cool card, the secret rare. The Kaiju. It's just okay, I'm gonna open it up just in case. You never know, we might have a card. I don't know. Yeah, just one card. There's a secret rare. That's the one. I've got 2 of these now, or in different packs. But yeah, this is kind of cool. It's kind of cool, a secret rare. Really good card too. Don't know what else you can get from that. But yeah, dice is kind of cool. I can't show you ruin it, but I've got a 5. Trying to think for you. Well, anyway, a nice short video today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And bye.